Solid
Shapes.
Solid shapes. This is exercise 8.3. Exercise
8.3.
It is about the solid shapes. It is about the solid shapes of the 3D figures. 3D
Figure.
3D shapes. 3D
Shapes.
3D means 3 dimensions. 3D means 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions. It has length, it has breadth, and it has height. And it has height. It has height. Atmas should be solid shapes. Must fast one is cube, second is cuboid, and third one is cylinder. Third one is cylinder. Cube kya ho? What is cube? What is cube? Is that three-dimensional figure. Cube is that solid figure. Cube is that solid figure whose faces are in the shape of square. Whose faces are in the shape of
Square.
Whose faces are in the shape of
Square.
For example. Example. These are the faces. These are the faces. These are the faces. Cube has plane figure. Plane figure we call it sides. We call it
Sides.
Tumni chase solid shape and masan faces. Tumni chase solid shape and masan
Faces.
Cube has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. And one line is this. Bechat asan 12 edges. Bechat asan 12 edges. Vamanos edges carry. Edges
Carry.
Edge is that line. Edge is that line where two faces meet. Where two faces
Meet.
Faces. Your face, for example. Your face, for example. You meet carry. This line segment. This is known as edge. This is known as edge. This is known as edge. A cube has 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. Vertices. Vertices kya ho? Vertices go where the edges of a cube meet. Yoda ak edge. This is ishi etat meet gasan. Cha gasan. This is the vertices. This is etat hai ak. Yoda ak. Etat ak. Where the different edges of a cube intersect, where they meet, they form the vertices. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. And 6
Faces.
And 6. Another is cuboid. Its faces are in the shape of a rectangle. Usually cube, they one by repeat. Usually cube, you have making faces 6 faces. They are in the shape of square. Its dimensions are equal. It is length, it is breadth, and it is height. Length, breadth, and it is height. It is same. Length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Cube is that 3-dimensional figure whose faces are in the shape of square. It has 6 faces. It has 12 edges. Edges gay, it is 2 faces karan meet. So the line segment form gasan that is one edges. It is the edges karan meet. Different edges can meet karan. Right? That is one of vertices. It has 8 vertices. And all its faces are in the shape of square. All the faces are in the shape and its dimensions, length, breadth, and height, they are same. They are equal. When you see cuboid, cuboid, it is in the shape of rectangle. It is faces. Usually, yakti has 6 faces. 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. The difference is that cuboid, the faces of the cuboid are in the shape of rectangle.
Rectangle.
Length, breadth, and height will be different. Length, breadth, and height will be
Different.
Length has alag, breadth has alag, height as well. Dimensions are different. Because opposite side has an equal rectangles. Length to length has an equal rectangles. Breadth to length has equal rectangles. Yeah. Samushayaman. It has 12 edges. And it has 8 vertices.
Vertices.
One to cylinder.
Cylinder.
Cylinder is in the shape of this. Usually I'm a bear shot. Base top chosen. Base I go base chosen. Base I know top chosen. Base I know top chosen. It was circular. Kya chosen? Circular. It's on circular. Is on ye chosen. Is on the center chukaran join. Top and base is a line chukaran sign. This is known. We call it as height. We call it as height. We call it as height. I mean, it's on faces chosen. Chosen three. Goes chosen. Goes chosen. Three faces. The cylinder has three faces. Akh chosen base. Akh chosen base. Base chosen. Base chosen top. Base chosen
Top.
Fact kind of is base chosen. That is one face. Base circular chosen. Ending. Like a wall. That is it is face. That is it is face. That is it is face. Cylinder has three faces. Cylinder has
Three faces.
Base has edges asan close. Edges asan two edges. Two edges. Even ye face. You walls karan meet yet circular faces. The yet circular faces. You can karan circular edge form. You can karan circular edge form. Catch karan. And it has zero vertices. Zero vertices. And it gives an edge hasn't circular. Circular. So that's a circular. Actually, you should edge karan form. You should karan edge form. Cube it's in the shape. Spaces are in the shape of square. Cuboid its faces are in the shape of rectangle. And cylinder that is circular. That has circular face. It has circular. It has three faces. Cube has six faces. Cuboid has six faces. Cylinder three faces. Cylinder three faces. Cube has 12 edges. Cuboid has 12 edges. And it has 8 vertices. And cuboid has 8 vertices. And 0 vertices. Cylinder has 0 vertices. Cylinder has 0 vertices.